Hi guys, this is Alex from MuseThemes.com, and today I'm going to be showing off the animated text widget. So as you can see, this piece of text is fading on and off the screen using this widget. So let's jump into Muse and see how this is set up. So inside Muse, I'm going to head across to the library panel and we'll bring our widget onto the canvas. So this is what your widget will look like when you drag it on. If we just go into the option panel, we can see that we've got various options to animate it and link it up to our text. So I'm going to drag this widget off to the side here like so. And I'm just going to use the text tool to place some text on screen. So for example, animate me, like so. And I'll quickly bring this up to size and just quickly style it up like so. And I'll leave it as Arial for the moment. Okay, so now that we've got this piece of text on canvas, it's time to link it up to the actual widget. So we're going to go into our paragraph styles, and whilst we still have the text selected, create a new paragraph style called, let's use just test for example. You can call it whatever you need to or want to call it. Okay, so once we've got that linked up, we're going to open up our widget option panel again, and we're going to type in test into the paragraph style to animate part. So once we've done this, we can hit enter and go off the option panel. Let's then preview this in our browser to see whether this has been applied to this piece of text. And as we can see, it now animates in, showing that this piece of text is linked to the widget. So we can look a little bit further into the actual animations that we can use. So we've provided you with a whole host of animations to use. For this example, I'm going to use flying down. And we can also set the time before playing. So this is in milliseconds. So let's set this to 50, for example. And then this will have 50 milliseconds delayed before the text animates in. The animation for each character will set how long each character will take to animate in. So we could change this to 25. And then the delay between characters will set the amount of time we want between characters animating in. And then it's exactly the same down here, but this is set up if you want to loop the animation. And then finally, we've got random character sequence, so that the characters will fade in randomly, which I'll select, and animate characters all at once if you wanted the whole piece of text to fly in at the same time. So let's preview this in our browser and look at the settings that we've applied. And now as we can see, the characters are animating in a random order, and there is the time set for them to animate in, along with the delay before the animation starts. So that's pretty much it with this widget today. I hope you enjoy using this, and as always, if you have any questions or queries, don't hesitate to drop us a note. Until next time, goodbye.